Good morning, students. Welcome back to Maths class. Observe these numbers. What type of numbers are these? Yes, these are fractions. Observe that in these fractions, both the numerator and denominator are integers. Can we have fractions with variables or algebraic expressions? Yes. We have fractions with variables or algebraic expressions. That is called algebraic fractions. In today's class, we are going to learn about algebraic fractions. Algebraic fraction is a fraction in which the numerator or denominator or both have variables with or without constants. Once again I am saying algebraic fraction is a fraction in which the numerator or denominator or both have variables with or without constants. Example, 2x by 5. This is an algebraic fraction with variables in the numerator. Minus y by 5, a plus b minus 2 by 3, minus 5 by y are all algebraic fractions. Types of algebraic fractions. This algebraic fraction is divided into two types. They are algebraic fraction having integral denominator. The another one is algebraic fraction having variable denominator. Algebraic fractions which have only constants in the denominator are known as algebraic fractions having integral denominator. Example, x by 5, 2a minus 3 by 4. Here the denominators are constants. Algebraic fractions which have variables in the denominator are known as algebraic fractions having variable denominator. Here x and y are the variables. Is it clear, children? Yes. Let us have a quick tip. For algebraic fractions having variable denominator to be meaningful, the values of the variables in the denominator should not be equal to 0. Let us solve the examples. Example 1. Express the following algebraic fractions in lowest terms. So let us solve this one. 16a cube b square divided by 4ab cube, which is equal to so let us cancel this one. 1 4 is 4 and 4 4s are 16. This is equal to 4 a power 3, in the denominator the power is 1, 3 minus 1, and b power 2 minus 3, which is equal to 4 power a square, b power 2 minus 3 is minus 1, or you can write this one as 16a cube b square by 4ab cube is equal to 4a square by b. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next one, 45x power 4 y cube divided by 25 x cube y. Divided by 25 x cube y. So cancel these two numbers by 5 tables. 5 5s are 25 and 9 5s are 45. So you can write this one as 9 by 5 x power. So this is based on the formula a power m divided by a power n. What's the value of a power m divided by a power n? Yes, a power m minus n. So x power 4 minus 3. Similarly, y power 3 minus 1, which is equal to 9 by 5. X power 4 minus 3 is 1. Y power 3 minus 1 is 2. So answer is 45 x power 4 y cube divided by 25 x cube y is equal to 9 by 5 x y square. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next one is example 2. Reduce p cube minus pq square divided by 2p square plus 2pq to its lowest terms. So let us solve this one. P cube minus pq square divided by 2p square plus 2pq is equal to, in the numerator, p is common in both the terms. So we have to take 1p outside. If we take 1p outside, the first term becomes p square minus q square divided by, similarly here 2p is common in these two terms. So we have to take 2p outside. So the remaining thing is here 1p and here plus q. So what's the value of p square minus q square? Yes, this is based on the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Similarly, we can write p square minus q square as p plus q into p minus q divided by 2p into p plus q. So you can cancel the p in the numerator and the denominator and the term p plus q and p plus q. The numerator, the only thing is left is p minus q divided by 2. So your answer is p cube minus pq square divided by 2p square plus 2pq is equal to p minus q divided by 2. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now exercise 17.1 in your book page number 168, first Roman letter. Express the following algebraic fractions in lowest terms. 22 m square n square p square divided by 33 m cube n square p. How do we solve this one? Yes. Here the number 22 and the number 33 is cancelled by 11 tables. 2 11s are 22 and 3 11s are 33. So you can write the number as 2 by 3 m power. What's the value of a power m divided by a power n? Yes, a power m minus n. So here m power 2 minus 3, n power 2 minus 2, p power 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2 by 3 m power. So when it is in two different signs, you should subtract and write the greater number sign. What's the greater number sign here? Yes, minus. What's the difference between 2 and 3? Yes, 1. M power minus 1. So n power 2 minus 2 is 0. P power 2 minus 1 is 1. What's the value of n power 0? Yes, anything to the power 0 is 1. It is equal to 2 by 3 m power minus 1. Value of n power 0 is 1 into p. I'll write this one as 2p divided by 3m. So here m power minus 1, when you bring this one to the denominator, this becomes m power plus 1. This 2 into p and 3 into m. The value of 22 m square n square p square divided by 33 m cube n square p is equal to 2p by 3m. Is it clear, children? Yes. Fifth one, 7a cube b square c square divided by 14a cube b cube. So let us solve this one. 7a cube b square c square divided by 14 a cube b cube. Yes. How do we cancel these two numbers? Yes, these are 7 tables answers. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. So I can write the number as a power. What's the value of a power m divided by a power n? Yes, a power m minus n. A power 3 minus 3, b power 2 minus 3 and c power 2, which is equal to a power 3 minus 3 is 0, b power, what's the value of 2 minus 3? Yes, good, minus 1, then c square. And there is one 2 in the denominator, no? Yes, it's divided by 2. So I can write the number as anything to the power 0 is 1. This is b power minus 1. When you bring this one to the denominator, this becomes b power plus 1. So in the numerator, there is only c square divided by 2. Bring this b power minus 1 to the denominator and this becomes b power plus 1. So the answer is 7a cube b square c square divided by 14a cube b cube is equal to c square divided by 2b. Is it clear, children? Yes. Thank you.